Welcome. In this episode, we're going to build part 6-30I, the Water Pump Eccentric Disc for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-3I, the Water Pump Eccentric Disc for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. File new, MMGS. Okay, let's go to front plane, sketch. Going to go to line. So we're going to start there, go across, up, cross a little bit, down, cross, up, cross, down, and there. Wow, that should mean horizontal. Thank you. All right, so we got smart dimension 3. Could have done a quarter list and then mirrored it, but I thought, nah, can't be bothered doing that. So we got this one here is 6, along with this one 6. Oh, no, it's not. Sorry. No, it's not. No, it's not. That's going to be 6 and 9. That's going to be 9. Sorry. 9. Because this is 6 and 6, which is 12. Perfect. And then we got the height of 44, but it's going to be from this point, that point, or that line, 22. Oop. Before we do that, let's do this one first. Oop. That one's going to be 22. And that's going to be 25, sorry. There it is. And that point can go horizontal. And that should be fully defined. It is. Beautiful. So let's do to feature bulb boss. Going to be around that point. Beautiful. And done. Yeah, but that's going to be brush aluminium. That'll do. Zoom out, thank you. So we need to add one more circle. Ooh, interesting. It's got an arm. Okay, it's got a hole going through, but it's got a hole going up top too. But let's do this hole first. So normal. Sketch, got a circle, it's going to be about there. That's going to be center of that one with center of that one, which would be vertical. Let's make that 19. And that's going to be that point, and that point will be 9.5. Perfect. That's going to bore all the way through, so extrude cut through all. Okay, nice. Now we go to top plane, sketch, normal 2. I'll sketch, circle. That's going to be dead center. It's going to be 5. Yes, this one. Now we want to go to extrude cut. That's going to be through all, going that way. We've got second direction, but this will not be through all this time. This is going to be up to next. And okay. There you go. Perfect. Wonder what that's there for. Interesting. Maybe it's the way to secure it. Maybe this side's too weak, so it's stronger. So with a piece put in there, maybe they put a peg in there, and that helps keep that in place. Oh no. Let me have a quick look. Doesn't actually show what goes in there yet. Okay. Okay, no worries. That is that part done. That is part 6-CI, the Water Pump Eccentric Disc, done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Man, that's a tongue twister. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.